In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube on Smart TV. You can use your phone or remote for this one. I have in here this help article from YouTube that helps us watch YouTube on our Smart TV by linking our devices right here. So you can use your phone, tablet, computer to cast a YouTube video to your TV and watch it on a bigger screen. To do this, you just need to pair and use the TV code. So from this, you can see that we have a cast feature, which is this icon right here. It helps let you use your phone, tablet, and computer to control the YouTube experience. On your Android, you can start casting by connecting your smart TV and your streaming device to the same network and opening the YouTube app from your smart TV and your streaming device. Now, once you have opened it, click onto the cast option that you can see right here and then play it using the device that you want to play it with. Now onto your computer, it has different steps. Make sure that your both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi internet. Then after that, you should be able to see and hear this. Just go over to youtube.com on your browser, then just click on the cast option right there again, and then choose the TV from the list. Now the same thing is to be done on your iPhone and iPad. Make sure that they are connected to the same internet connection. Open the app on both devices, then tap on the cast option that you should be able to see right there. So that's how you use YouTube on Smart TV. Hope we help.